Welcome to this small legal global ID presentation video where I'm going to show you how to issue a AD certificate to a smart card so the user can get passwordless and nameless login to the Windows PC. We have two systems I'm going to show you today. The first is our administration system, in which a first level supporter can create the order for this token and also maintain and monitor that everything goes according to the plan and so make sure that the user gets the right access information. The same also I'm going to show you is our self-service application, in which the user gonna issue the certificate to the card and also make sure that in this issuing process we will send a text message to the user's phone to make sure that this is actually the correct user that gets access to issue a smart card. So first I will go to our self-service portal and I will find my user, in this case named Suzanne. She works at the Technology University, and I will just scroll down and I will go to the authentication device orders. I will make that order. In this case here, I will order a certificate with where the text in the SMS message is in English, and that's more or less what I'm ordering here. We have various options for configuring integration to door systems and smart card systems and other Cantina systems. In this case here, it's a straightforward smart card order. Immediately we see the order success, which means that the system has now picked up the order and is ready for the further process. I will go to the user's PC and I will put the card into the machine. I will log in as the user to the self-service application. There it were. It took just a few seconds. So the client did update itself and now shows the user that you have one new order waiting. I will click activate. The first thing that happens now is that the user is prompted for choosing a PIN code for this new secure token. This is something the user chooses themselves, which means that no one in the world beyond the user is aware of this PIN code. It's a very important thing, and we have other videos where I explain exactly how that works. What happens now is that I will receive a text message on my phone to verify this user's identity. It's connected with an SMS system, and I will just enter the one-time code. I will click next, and I will just wait a few seconds. There we are. Success. The card has now been issued. The token is ready for use. If I log out of the application, if I log out of my Windows session, sign out, you will see that Suzanne has two options. She can sign in with username and password. That was where she began, and now I have the option of choosing. In this case here, I can choose certificate, and I can now enter Suzanne's PIN code, and I will be able to log into the Windows machine as Suzanne. If I go back to my administrative system, I will now also be able to see that Suzanne now says order 10, which means valid certificate, and now Suzanne also has a smart card. I can click the smart card. I can see that the certificate is on this specific card. If the case should be that the user loses this card, they can call in the help desk, and the help desk will be able to revoke the card and therefore block access with the users of this card. This is also a service that Suzanne, of course, can do herself in the self-service, either via our browser access or via the client on the Windows computer. And with all of that, I just want to say thank you for seeing this video, and I will welcome you back on a later point.